this is La Palma. It's a wet and chilly La Palma. The weather forecast says that it's 19 degrees, and that the further you go into the mountains, the captain was telling us this morning, the colder it'll get and the wetter it will get. So we won't be going into the mountains today, but we're just going to have a little wander around, brave the cold for a bit, and see what La Palma is all about. Thinking that's the Maritime Museum there. It's 2:30 now, and a lot of the places here are closed. They close from either 2 or 2:30 till 5, and then they open up then from 5 till 8, and we found that in a lot of places. So we've just stopped for a couple of hours in a bar and had a couple of drinks, courtesy of Jim and Linda. Thank you very much. Jim and Linda, they were lovely company, the people we've met on the cruise. So we've just sat for a couple of hours in a bar with them. Enjoyed the last couple of hours just passing by, chatting, watching the world go by. But when we come out, everything's closed. So yeah, that's all right. I've done enough shopping, I think. But yes, it's very, very pretty, La Palma. Pretty, but consisting of sort of one long street, mainly, you know, for shops. And obviously you've got the Maritime Museum as well. There's all different shops. They had hairdressers, and there was somebody, when you looked in, was having a pedicure, second-hand shops. Yeah, so lovely shops selling lovely things. Very pretty. You could just see the mountain in the background there.